Yo, I'm cruising out of Chrome with a brand new tool. I connect, grab the clipper, now it's the jewel. Select any text and I'm feeling real cool. Sending data to my sheets, making moves like a mule. Those tight automation's the key. From Slack to WhatsApp, I set it up with Glee. Who's just right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. Pabbly's got my back, no need to feel queasy. Pabbly in the web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Chrome store, download, let's go. Add that extension, now I'm in the flow. Manage webhooks, set the URL in tow. Trigger events, watch the data grow. From Facebook groups to blogs I see. Just select the text and it's history. Google Sheets is waiting, it's also free. Pabbly Connect, making life so brief. Pabbly in the web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Date and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No more copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Pabbly in the web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Pabbly Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fit. With Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit.